Right, good day lovely people. It is day 19 of the Missouri Star Quilt Company Advent Box. I'll get to day 25 and I'll actually remember it, I expect. Yeah, as you can see, we've got a box. Don't know what's in it. If I can get in it. It's a tin. Ingrid's Wildflowers Mini Blooms Embroidery Kit. How sweet is that? I'll take my glasses off. Oh look, that's the contents. Oh, let's dive in. Okay, so I don't know what we've got going on here. There's a hoop and there's threads. Don't actually know. Right, I'm just taking that thing off. Don't actually know what we're making. I'm going to get you overhead because there's quite a lot in here. Bear with. Right, that's better. I can show you better now. Right, so this was on here. I don't know what that's for, but I'm sure it'll come to light. Ingrid's Wildflowers Mini Blooms Embroidery Kit. Right, so we get the little hoop. Don't know what these things are. Let's have a nosy. Why? Thank you. Oh, there's a little needle threader and 2 needles. Cool. Wash away sheets. Okay. Is it painful? Good grief. Okay, so I think they're going to be sticky. Oh yeah, they are sticky embroidery pictures. Cut out design, peel backing sheet, press, peel and stitch sheet, and press onto fabric. Okay, yeah. So you just, once the embroidery is done, you just give it a soak and it disappears on you. Let's see what we got. So we got daisies. Well, kind of. We got that. They're very well stuck together. Yeah, so you just peel it off and then when you've done the embroidery that washes away, so they're quite cute. A little bee, a dragonfly, another flower and another one, and another little bee. Aren't they cute? I've always wanted to try these actually. I keep seeing them. Yeah, so that's good. I shall have a go at that. Don't know what this is. Oh, instruction cards. All right, so there's your stitches for each flower. Not quite sure. Why am I so fiddlesticks today? Right, okay. It tells you what to do. Yeah. Okay. Daisy daisies, French knot, satin stitch, star stitch, bloom design. Another bloom design number 2. Okay. Bloom 3, 4, 5. And it gives you a list of the stitches there, which are at the front. So, yeah, that's very nice. If you're very new to embroidery, that's probably a really, really nifty thing. Yeah, cool. Okay. put those in there. Hopefully I won't lose them. So then in here, obviously, you got a bag of silicone, and I presume it's meant to come out some really nice cotton threads. Nice. There's quite a lot on there actually. There's going to be more, you know, there's going to be loads left over. But there we are. So that's pretty pretty. Oh, can I gel print with that? Oh, do you know, I might be able to. Right, I'll keep that. I know, it's a disease, what can I say? So there we are. Little mini blooms embroidery kit. I'm hopefully getting a different one next year. I don't think I'll get Missouri Star again. It's not quite been what I wanted it to be. What I wanted it to be was more fabric, but you know, maybe projects and that. But I watched another unveiling one yesterday. Oh, keep that and all. Or unboxing, I should say. And then, but I've contacted them because it's going to be the shipping cost. Because it ain't cheap. But if they can do quite good on the shipping, I might consider it for next year. Right, I need to trim that back and I'll be able to print with that. Right, that's totally off topic. So there we are. A really sweet little embroidery kit. Very nice. Thank you for that, Missouri Star. I don't quite know why we've got that, but I'll keep it anyway. Maybe to back the hoop. Actually, yeah, that's the point. There's no fabric in there. Oh, unless that's coming up. Maybe. I don't know. Right, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.